my name is Queen, and today I'm going to transform myself into a soft girl. Peace. So, you may be wondering, why on earth is still people making videos about soft girl? It's a dead trend. That's because I'm the CEO of Dead Trends. So I was studying how to become a soft girl, and then I came across this video on YouTube where it shows like the outfits and all. I went straight to the comment section because sometimes the comment section of the video is even better than the content of the video. Like if you agree. And then the first comment that has 1.5k likes says, number 1, have money. And then number 2, be skinny. And you see, I don't particularly fall into those categories at all. There's also another comment, how to be a soft girl. Have a beautiful face. I'm neither one of them, so what if I say I'm gonna transform myself into the ugliest soft girl you've ever seen? And let's go! That's the worst transition you've ever seen. So the first thing I'm gonna do is wear my contacts because I am blind without contacts, and now I'm just doing the dance. Now I'm just gonna change into my outfit. This is a pink skirt, and then this very soft girl is striped shirt. And now I'm just gonna use my soft girl scissors to cut off the tag. And then now I'm just gonna show you a magic trick. And doom. I'm sorry, I'm still stuck in the 2010s. Look who decided to join. I don't know what I'm doing there. And now I'm just gonna apply my foundation, Bourjois, I don't know how to pronounce, Healthy Mix Serum, and just smack it on my face with a sponge. And now here's a small montage of my little devil here. So now I'm just gonna use this Maybelline concealer, Age Rewind, to cover up my flaw. And then I'm just gonna fill in my brows with this Innisfree eyebrow pencil. As you can see, the end result of my eyebrows is the reason why I'm not a makeup guru. And now I'm just gonna use my 3CE eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna apply a base first. And then the second layer, which is nearer to the eye. And then now the third layer, which I'm using a darker shade. Curling my lashes a little bit. And then now I'm gonna use the worst eyeliner that I've ever used. This is the worst. It's not pigmented. This is the third time that I'm using it and it's already dying. I've attempted to put on falsies, but as you can see that I'm struggling a lot and it was really bad, so I just nope. So the eyeliner is not giving the results that I want, so I'm using black face paint to fill in my eyeliner. And here I am being an idiot who doesn't know how to make videos, just covering up the face that I'm supposed to show in the video. And now I'm just gonna apply mascara with this Maybelline mascara. I've tried to apply falsie so the eyelash glue stuck onto my real eyelash, and now I'm just struggling because my eyelashes are clumping together and sending SOS signals to me. And now my favorite part, contouring. So I'm using this Too Cool for School tidy up my hair a bit. I've already put on earrings. Okay, it's gonna rain. And here's some clips I got from Daiso. The final result in 3, 2, 1, go! So yeah, that's it for the video. And yeah, I hope you like the look. It's my first time, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash like if you like it, subscribe, maybe yes, maybe no. You don't have to if you don't want to, I guess, I don't know. And now see you next video. Bye! Oh, that was scary. That was scary. I almost got caught. Oh my god.